everyone. Some of you have asked about how to get PyGame into one of our Python programs. So I just want to go over how to install PyGame. So I've got my new program set up. It's called PyGame Test 2. I'm going to go to the File menu. I go down to Settings. I'm already in the project interpreter here. And I want to click on this plus sign. And I click on PyGame, or I type in PyGame rather. I go down here so I can see I've got PyGame install or PyGame highlighted. I go down to install package. And remember, you have to have Python 3.7. You can't have 3.8. We're going to install the package. We'll wait just a few moments. When it's complete, it will say package PyGame installed successfully. And over here, we also get package installed successfully. Remember, Python does this and PyCharm does this because it doesn't want to have everything pre-installed because that would just slow the program down. So when we have that PyGame package installed successfully, we can close this. We will now see PyGame here. And we're using version 1.96, at least I am. I'm going to click on OK. And then I'm just going to test that out. I've got some code here that I'm just going to paste in. I've imported PyGame. I'm initializing PyGame. My window equals pygame.display.setMode, and here's the size in pixels for the window that I'm going to have. My PyGame caption. Set a variable called run to equal true. When I run this program, it's going to have this loop. It's going to do this event. It's going to have a little delay. It's going to update my display. If I don't do the update display, my screen doesn't show up. And when I hit the X in the top corner, it will close. Now I'm going to run this. So run PyGame test 2, and I have this shown up. So again, my set mode, so I've got 300 pixels by 300 pixels. PyGame goes up here, that's my title. When I click on the X here, that is my quit event. So I quit, and then I change that variable to get out of this loop. And this loop is being executed every 100 milliseconds. So I'm just going to X out of that, and it will close. And that's how we install PyGame into one of our Python programs.